This is it's a plant that's pretty. It's a pretty plant, and it blooms. No, it's more vague than that.
It's a plant.
Yeah, it's a very pretty plant.
Flower?
Yes, and then like it rhymes with that word, and it's like, you know.
Power.
Yes, so
Power,
say it together.
power.
Yes. Okay. Okay, skip. Okay.
Ice cold mental thoughts.
Brain freeze?
Hey.
That lives in the ocean or the sea.
A mermaid.
Yes, so this is part of the phrase.
Little mermaid.
If you've gone to school outside of high school and you get a job, you might be considered a
College.
Okay, at college, your teacher is called a
Professor.
Okay, so if you have a job, you're kind of considered an expert in your field, or a kind of along the, you know.
You are a mermaid expert.
Professional?
Professional mermaider. Professional?
A professional mermaid.
Mermaid. Hey.
Nothing attacks you in the woods. Like
Bear feathers?
what do you call another
Bug
word for
repellent.
spray? Yeah, but the first word was what kind of animal?
Bear.
Bear repellent. Okay, bear repellent. Nope. Okay, what about you know that animal that licks the sucker? The owl?
Yeah.
It's an owl. What do you call not very smart?
Oh,
Stupid owl?
Say that again?
Stupid owl?
Yeah, but they're really stupid. What would you say in front of that?
Unintelligent owl? I don't know.
Like, there's a lot.
very stupid owl.
Yes.
Bears.
Something that is good, that is
Great.
nice.
It's great.
Excellent.
Rhyme with cold, no, similar to cold. but-
Hot.
No, something that is nice.
Gold.
Good. And when you shot someone and someone died, is that?
Gold. Death.
No.
Murder.
I commit a
Crime. Gold crime.
no.
Gold crime.
Coincidence.
Good enough. Gold.
Tiny chicken, you know, like the little white thing.
Baby chicks?
No,
Eggs?
No, what's called?
Ducklings?
Yeah.
Eggs?
Egg, but you know, another word for tiny is
Small eggs?
small egg. One word. One word. 3, 2, 1, go.
Just pass.
Fish.
Mermaid. The mermaid one. The whole
professional
professional
mermaid.
mermaid.
Yes.
Professional mermaid.
Yeah.
What,
Harry Potter nonfiction.
Nonfiction.
I don't know
Yeah.
what the whole phrase was.
Yeah, we don't.
We didn't hear it.
That's good.
I'm not doing that one.
Flower power.
Pickle juice.
Nice. Save some for us.
Bird.
Chicken.
Oh,
Small egg.
Small egg.
Oh, bite
Like
your tongue.
chicken.
Yeah. Wow.
Hey!